Hi, my name is Art Calvin. I'm here to walk through the Connect C261RB. This is a brand new 2020 model. And first we'll talk about the outside of the trailer, then we'll go inside and take a walk around the inside. First off, starting up here at the front, power tongue jack, 20-pound LP bottles with auto changeover regulator, and battery disconnect are all standard features. You don't have to option them, you don't have to add them. They're there. We also include the Furrion solar prep. So if you do a lot of dry camping, you can buy a solar panel, plug it in, keep your batteries charged while you're camping. So we move back here to our nice big storage area. Our keys are keyed to the entry door, so you don't need multiple keys to get in. We do use a magnetic catch, so it's easy to go up. And when you look inside, nice big spacious storage area, all nicely finished. And it is plywood for the bed base up here. Also plywood underneath the seat bases instead of using less expensive OSB. As we move back, we've got the power awning with a light strip on it for your convenience. Also, all the Connects use a 6-gallon gas electric DSI water heater. All of our Connects feature 2 outside speakers so you can enjoy listening to music while you're outside enjoying a campfire. We've also got a coaxial cable and a 110-volt outlets right here. Aluminum wheels are standard, and we use nitrogen-filled tires so that they hold the air a little better, run cooler, less chance to blow out. Also, Equiflex suspension is standard. This acts as shock absorber as you're going down the road and just makes for a much smoother ride. As you get to our entry door, we do have a friction hinge entry door with the screen shot and the screen doors. So it doesn't stay open, keeps the bugs out, and nice fresh air in. We use solid steps by Lippert instead of the old pull-out type steps. The nice thing about these, they fold up out of the way. And then when you get ready to get into the trailer, put them down. You've got 2 solid points of connection on the ground. Nice solid step. Really large top entry step and a swing-away grab handle to help you come in. As we move around the back, we have the storage rack, which is rated 250 pounds.